back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today we got a check system message. It's for the TPMS sensors, which is pretty much the tire sensors. And I'm going to show you guys the reason why that message comes on and what you might be able to do to fix it yourself. There's several reasons why that message will pop up, and it's not because your tire's low. A lot of people think that, your tire's low, you just fill it up and that'll go away. When that message pops up, it's because it's either a programming issue, one of the switches got tripped, and I'll show you guys that in a second, or a battery died on one of the sensors. The most common reason why that happens, and why it's actually happened to me before in the past, and the reason it's happening right now, is because there's a little switch on the passenger side. It's actually right under the floorboard right there, and it's pretty much like a push button switch where it's like A and B. Pretty much what it does is it's programmed so you can program two sets of wheels, and a lot of times your passenger will accidentally kick it and switch it. Normally it's going to be on A. You want to keep it on A. Those are normally where it's programmed for your stock wheels. And if that wasn't the reason why the message is on, you're going to have to take it to a tire shop to get your sensor scanned to see if it lost programming or if one of the batteries died in the TPMS sensor. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.